In this video, I'm going to show how to apply for Vietnam visa. This is a step-by-step guide, so keep watching. First, go on this website and on the home page, click Apply Now. Scroll down, check boxes and click Next. And now upload your passport size photo and scanned copy of your passport. It will take you to the next page and some details will be automatically filled. But still, check them. They can make mistakes. Scroll down and fill rest of the information. And if you've been to Vietnam before, fill out the details. Double check all the details and make sure it matches to your passport. Add the insurance and funding details and click Next. Once you click Next, it will show you this screen. Check the details, make sure it is matching to your passport. Take the screenshot and click Confirm. You will receive an email with the link of the payment gateway. Pay the fees and it's done. You can check the application status in the search menu. It usually takes around 3 to 4 working days. Hope this video helps you. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. Thanks. Bye.